the show today, we're going to draw a tank.
That's right. We're going to be drawing some easy, cheesy tanks today, and we're going to have a fun time doing it. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the show. Today on the show, we're going to be drawing some easy, cheesy tanks. So let's get started. So the first thing what we want to do is
draw tiny wheels.
So what I'm going to do for the easy, cheesy tank is I'm going to draw 2 wheels.
And after you do these wheels, you do like this.
So draw 2 big circles just like that. And then on this side, another big circle. And if it's not completely round, that's okay. We'll work with it. Now, from the bottom of this circle to this one, you're going to draw a line.
We're going to do a flume.
All the way over to here, okay? And then on this one right here, you're going to draw another line that goes all the way to the other side. And that is the treads of the tank. Okay, now we're going to be drawing another circle that goes right in here. Okay? So I'm going to draw a smaller circle for the inside of the tire.
I'm going to draw a square.
And another one right here. Now to add some details to these tires, I'm going to draw some half circles on either side, on the left and the right, and on the top and the bottom. I'm going to do the same thing on this side here too.
Now I'm going to make
Now you can make your wheel design completely different. It's just adding a little detail, a little eye candy in there. And then I'm going to draw some little circles here just on the edge, just 4 of them. Just make it kind of look like a tough wheel that's going to be rolling that tread. So now what I want to do is make a slanted line from here to there. So I'm just going to go ahead and connect the top, and another one here from here to there. So it's just about kind of even right there, and go ahead and connect the dot. And now from here to there, connect the dot again. So now I'm going to make the dome part of this tank. So I'm going to put a dot right here and right here. And I'm going to do a half of a circle. So go ahead and do that. Nice big half of the circle. All right, just like that. Now this part is where the cannon is going to come out. That's where it shoots. So I'm going to be doing a long rectangle, and it'll end right about there. It'll start here. So I'm doing dots again, and here, and then there. So all you have to do now is just connect the dots. Really simple way to draw is just connecting the dots. And you can see that I kind of went a little too far, but that's okay. Just have to connect it right here. And that's pretty much how you draw an easy, cheesy tank. You can add some detail in here if you want to. You could even do another half of a circle kind of on the outside there. And you could draw some, maybe it's just kind of like some rivets that go across. Rivets are like bolts. Just some little different eye candy here. And don't forget the bumpy road that the tank is going to be driving on. It's going to be rolling over that road. They can go over any type of terrain. So I want to add just a little bit of thickness to my tread because it seems to be disappearing on the ground here. So I'm just going to add another line right here going all the way across. And another line right here, all the way across. And then I'm going to just kind of put some lines in there to make it look like it's a part of a tread. The tread is what goes around the wheels.
And it makes it go over stuff.
Mm-hmm. It's made out of metal. So then right here on this part of the circle, I'm just going to make it just a little bit thick right here, just on one side. And do the same thing on this wheel here. Just adding just a little bit of thickness. You can always do that with your crayon if you want to. And then I'm going to add just another row of rivets going across here on this metal tank. What do you think of that?
Good. Now it's color time.
Color time! Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. We had a lot of fun making our tanks. As you can see, Lucas put in some cool colors on his tank there. I love the orange and the blue and the green there. And on my tank, I went and added a little more detail. I put some more rivets down below here just to kind of give it some depth, and a few more squares and rectangles. And when I was coloring it, I was using my gray crayon with just a little bit of brown, just kind of, you know, just to put in a little more character into the color. That's what I like about using crayons, is that you can mix the colors really well versus markers. You know, it's kind of hard to mix with markers. But either way, we had a lot of fun designing our tanks, and they are all ready to go out and defend the universe against spaceships or slime monsters. So I can't wait to see your tank out there, and I hope you have a great day. Make sure you check out our other videos, and like always, have a fun day. Adios, bye-bye.